Let's take a look at problem number 15. And want to solve the system of equations by graphing. Don't even know if I should even try to do this by hand, but let's see. We got x plus y is equal to 2, and 3x minus y is equal to 14. Now we want to graph each one of these, and the easiest way to graph it is to have it in slope-intercept form. So I'll solve for y. So I take the x over there, and we get y is equal to negative x plus 2. And on this one, I'll take the negative y over to the right side, and I'll take the 14 over to the left side. So we get 3x, wrong color, 3x minus 14 is equal to a positive y. Now, what did that mean about I don't even know if I should try to do it by hand? Well, if you're not precise on this, then you'll get weird results. 1, 2. Okay. Now, first one, y is equal to negative x plus 2, or y-intercept is 2. Our slope is negative 1, which if you put that in fraction form, would be negative 1 over 1. It means I go down 1, right 1. I'm going to give you the general idea. I'm not going to do this by hand. I know I can't do it. The other one, negative 14, that's my y-intercept. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's right there, and goes up 3, right 1. That's our slope. Slope is 3, which I put in fraction form. Up 3, right 1. 1, 2, 3, right 1. And you draw the line. The idea behind this, and if you're going to do it by hand, you really have to have graphing paper, unless they're close together. 2, 3. The idea is you eyeball it and see what the answer is. The answer is where they intersect. It looks like maybe 4, negative 2. Without any kind of precision, that's as close as I'm probably going to get. Now let's do it on the calculator, and we'll see that how we do it there. Now, if you're doing it on the calculator, you still have to solve for y, because you can't put anything in your calculator unless you have it as y equals. So these are in perfect form right here. So we're going to have y is equal to negative x plus 2. So go to y equals, clear, negative x plus 2. Then I'll down arrow to y2, and I'll press clear out anything I have there. And then I got 3x minus 14. So 3x minus 14. And then I'll push graph. One, two, I'm not even sure if I can see it here. I'm going to zoom in. Press zoom, choose zoom box, the first one. So I'll just go ahead and press enter on it. We just got a flashing cursor in the middle there. If I do my left arrow key and up arrow key, and put it maybe about right there. It doesn't have to be perfect. And press enter one time. It'll change to a flashing box. Now if I start doing a down arrow and right arrow, assuming a calculator can actually catch up with me. There it goes. A little bit of a lag. Okay. And I've drawn a box. Now when I push enter, it'll zoom in on just that box. So if I press enter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, negative 2. Is that what I said? Let's see. 4, negative 2. I'm shocked. But you can see a little bit better on the graphing calculator because the tick marks and everything's exact. Well, when you're done with that problem, be sure you do a zoom and choose Z standard. Just head it back to your standard viewing. Okay, so 4, negative 2. Let's come over here. Not that my eyes are good enough to see this, but it's definitely not C and D. What's that at? That doesn't look like -2, so has to be B as in Bill. So our answer is B. Let me check that. I didn't check number 14s, but 15B. And that checks.